Well, the straps have maybe too much twists on it. Actually now time to change the boxing bag. Got another one here. This will probably last me another 4 or 5 years. Yeah, just change that up. A couple of weeks ago, the old boxing bag snapped. These here, these things wear and tear over the 5 years. They snapped, so I've got to take them somewhere to get sewn up. So I put the new bag up, which is this one here. Now, pissed. Do some fucking groundwork. Yeah, let's go. The alterations that's been made to the boxing bag. So due to wear and tear of the other clips and the hoops, I managed to find some heavy duty ones. So this turns out to be a much more sturdier than the other one. And just for good measure, I've only gone and got spares, and yeah, got some spares. Those clips look a lot more better, don't they? Should last a good while. I think they're starting to thin out slightly at the top, you see there. So that's the friction build up there. See? But also got a couple of them as well. Sorted. Lovely. I'm going to patch up the other boxing bag and make sure it gets sewn. Put that up in the loft.